Hi, I'm Dr. Noelle Lucas from Blue Oasis Pet Hospital, and I'd like to take some time to talk to you about dog preventive care. And I've got an assistant and also my husband, Alex, who's going to ask me some questions that you might have regarding dog preventive medicine and preventive care.
Okay, Dr. Lucas, how big is dog preventative care as far as a topic is concerned?
There's two sort of schools of thought about veterinary care. So you could have a dog and you only come to see your veterinarian when they have a problem, right? That's just one way that you reach out to your veterinary professionals is my dog has a problem and I need to go see them. The other is to try to prevent disease and keep them healthy as long as we can. So that's where preventive care falls into that big category of trying to prevent disease and illness from happening.
And obviously, so preventative care is very important for your pets.
Absolutely. So preventive care actually is known to increase the quality of life and quantity of life of our dogs. So preventing disease is a wonderful way to live your life, is a happier, healthier way to do it.
So what's kind of the schedule? How often should my dog be seen for preventative care?
So we start preventive care actually when dogs are about the age of about 8 weeks of age is when most pet parents are going to come into the veterinary space with their new dog or puppy. And we're going to start doing preventive medicine with you usually at about that age. And that starts with their first dewormings and their first vaccinations and their first heartworm and flea tick preventions are going to be prescribed at that age. And then we're going to continue to see them multiple times through puppyhood. We're going to see them at their first birthday. And then we're going to ideally see that dog once a year just for good wellness examinations, vaccinations, fecal parasite screening, blood work to make sure their organs are healthy, and then continuing their flea, tick, and heartworm prevention.
So let's continue that thought. What will my veterinarian do during a preventative care appointment?
Yeah,
What are you going to see?
So we're just going to get a good history on your dog. How are they doing? Are they having any concerns at home? Are you having any behavioral issues? We're going to see what foods they're eating. We're going to ask what flea tick heartworm prevention they might already be on, or if they're off of it, can we get them back on it? We're going to talk about just good physical exam. We're going to do one on your dog, and we're going to then get any immunizations or boosters of their vaccines that they're due for. And then we're going to make sure that they are prescribed their flea tick heartworm prevention. So that's just a good, well-rounded sort of preventive care visit.
And so let's talk about medications. Obviously, there are preventative medications and then there are maintenance medications. So preventative medications, what's kind of the schedule for preventative medications?
Yeah, so preventive medications, that would be preventing from fleas, preventing from ticks, preventing from heartworm disease, preventing from intestinal parasite diseases. So we kind of lump that all together in a flea tick heartworm prevention. Most of them across North America are prescribed in orals, so your pet takes that once a month. However, there's some alternatives. There's some injectables that are good for either 6 months or 12 months, depending on your veterinary hospital, for preventing heartworm disease. We also have some flea and tick preventions that are good for up to 3 months orally, and then there's some flea tick collars that are very good that can protect your pet for up to 8 months. So it really just depends on the dog's lifestyle and what your kind of needs are as a pet parent. So we can have lots of discussions about preventions in the exam room. And then other maintenance medications, it depends on what we're treating your pet for, but we can have those conversations with you in the exam room. If you have a pet, a dog, and it has not seen its veterinarian for a while, we invite you to get back into your veterinarian's office for a good wellness checkup, get those boosters done, and get them protected from things that we can easily prevent them from, which is flea ticks and heartworms. So please call and schedule your appointment today. We're Blue Oasis Pet Hospital. We'd love to see you. Thanks.